Welcome to your ultimate guide on ascending the peaks of financial success, where today, we're diving deep into the coveted secrets of billionaires. If you've ever wondered how the wealthiest individuals build and maintain their fortunes, you're in the right place. We're revealing the top 8 steps to achieving extreme wealth, straight from the financial practices of billionaires themselves. Make sure you engage with us in the comments. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more powerful insights on wealth building. Let's embark on this journey of wealth creation together and transform our financial destinies. The first step to billionaire wealth is developing high-income skills. These are skills that can significantly increase your earning potential and are in high demand. Think of areas like technology, finance, and entrepreneurship. It's not just about having a skill, but continuously refining it and staying ahead of the curve. Billionaires often spend countless hours honing their abilities, ensuring they offer the best value in their fields. Start by identifying which skills are lucrative in today's market and begin your path to mastery. Remember, the more valuable your skills are, the higher your potential to earn. Invest time and resources in education and training, and don't shy away from opportunities to learn from the best. This foundational step sets the stage for all your financial successes to come. Step 2 is a game changer. Save to invest, don't just save to save. Billionaires understand that the true power of saving lies in investment. Accumulating money in your bank account won't lead to wealth. It's what you do with that money that counts. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income for future investments rather than mere savings. This approach not only disciplines your financial habits but also prepares you for opportunities where your money can work for you, such as stocks, real estate, or starting a business. The key is to make your money grow through smart, well-considered investments. Research thoroughly, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions. By transforming your savings into investments, you're building a powerful engine for wealth creation. The final step in our journey to billionaire wealth is relentless networking. Networking is not just about collecting contacts, it's about building meaningful relationships that can open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Billionaires often attribute a significant part of their success to the strong networks they've cultivated. Attend industry gatherings, join clubs, and participate in community events that align with your interests. The goal is to meet people who can provide insights, introduce you to influencers, or partner with you on future endeavors. Remember, it's about quality connections, not just quantity. Each relationship you build is a step closer to your goals, providing you with resources, advice, and support that can propel you to great heights. Thank you for joining us as we uncovered the top 8 billionaire steps to extreme wealth. We hope these insights inspire and motivate you to start your journey toward financial success. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We're eager to hear about your progress and answer any queries you might have. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of each step discussed today. Stay tuned, and let's continue to learn and grow together. Wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. Keep this in mind as you build your path to success.